National speaker, podcaster, best-selling author. After experiencing years of bullying, Michaela Nichols reached a point in her life where she knew her voice could be a powerful tool.
And today she leads the nonprofit, the Blatantly Honest Foundation.
This month, the nonprofit is working to get results and raise awareness on mental health. Joining us now, Blatantly Honest Foundation founder, Michaela Nichols. So nice to see you this morning.
So happy to be here.
Yeah, so for folks who don't know, I know we've visited with you several times over the years. Tell us about your foundation and the inspiration for it.
So it's a 501c3, and I really never thought I was going to start a foundation. You know, being a 24-year-old woman, I was like, okay, that's one of the last things I thought I would do. But you know, I dealt with a lot of bullying growing up, and I struggled with mental health issues and body image, and I really decided that I needed to do something about it. And the cool thing about the Blatantly Honest Foundation is that since I am young, right, it's like when I talk to these kids, I'm talking with them and not at them, you know, like mom or dad. So really just trying to change the stigma surrounding those issues.
And you're expanding the things that you're doing. I mean, we've been following you for several years now. You have a big event coming up this week. Tell us more about that.
I'm so excited for this event. So it's next Wednesday, which is coming very quickly. But I'm very excited. It's going to be over at the Jewel. So Wednesday the 21st at 7 p.m. We're really trying to bring together the Central Florida community to just kind of rally behind these issues. And you know, if someone's lost a loved one to suicide, we would love to have them out and honor their loved one as well. So.
And I mean, and you're so busy. I mean, every time we talk to you, you have either a coloring book coming out, you have a public speaking event.
Coloring books.
There they are.
Books.
We have them. The girls all have them.
Yes.
What has this road been for you? You know, meeting so many young girls and boys and talking to them and seeing what they're going through. I mean, do you see it shifting from year to year?
I really, it's been a blessing to be able to connect with so many people. I never thought, like I said, I'd be doing this, but really just knowing the impact that the foundation's having on the kids. You know, if I can save one life, then I've done my job. And it's really humbling to be able to just see the smiles on these kids and say, like, you know, Michaela, you've changed my life. I mean, that's why I do it.
And even during the pandemic, you were still doing virtual appearances. I know you're back to doing some of those in person. Why do you love that in-person component so much?
I think, you know, everything is so social media based. When you can go in and make eye contact and be around people like this, it's like a game changer. And then, you know, when you can give someone a hug, like after a speech, kids will come up and if they're like, Michaela, like, I just need a hug. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay. I think it really connects people, and we need to do that. Like, everyone could use a hug, honestly, and especially when you're talking about these issues and being able to look at someone in the eyes and say, hey, you're not alone, the impact is far greater.
How can you, you know, reach people of different ages? You know, we look at what's happening even at the elementary school level, you know, all the way up through high school. How do you reach each grade level, each age level as you try to make that positive impact?
So with the book I call it, the hardcover book, that one is more for like middle school, high school and parents. And then I have the coloring books because unfortunately these issues are starting so much younger, like between body image and bullying and even the conversation of suicide, it's starting early on. And I mean, we have to address these conversations. So making it in the form that children can understand, starting that dialogue early is what we're trying to do.
And I know part of the foundation, you donate coloring books to schools and things like that. So if people want to support the mission, which is so important, how can they do that?
They can visit the Blatantly Honest Foundation. It's www.blatantlyhonest.org. We have a podcast series too called Blatantly Honest with Michaela Nichols. You can listen to that anywhere you download your podcast, and just reach out to us. We're here to help.
And you still have tickets for this event coming up Wednesday.
I do, yes. We would love to see people come out to the event. So visit blatantlyhonest.org to secure your ticket. And the money raised is going straight to the foundation to help provide those resources back into Central Florida schools.
Earlier today, I heard a rumor in the green room that Trooper Steve said he might even stay up late and go.
I hope so. I mean, I would love to see everyone there. Again, this is an event for the community to really raise awareness around mental health.
Yeah, tickets are still available.
Yes, they are.
And where is the Jewel?
So it's right attached to Pirates Dinner Adventure. It's a really amazing venue. It's like very kind of like speakeasy. There's going to be gaming, dueling pianos. It's really just going to be like a fun night while we also, you know, raise awareness around mental health. So.
Well, thank you so
Hope
much
to see
for
you
everything
there.
that you do. That's amazing.
Yes.
You're always doing something. If you follow her on Instagram, she is always doing something.
Yes, and has a very cute dog too.
Thanks. Love Stella.